Elon Musk has told you the Tesla bot can clean your house, cook your meals, and even take care of your kids. But what he hasn't told you are the 5 secret abilities that could make Optimus the most valuable machine you'll ever own. And none of them are about household chores. One of these could earn you thousands of dollars a month. Another could literally save your life. And the last one could transform Tesla into a self-operating machine that builds machines. These are the secrets Elon Musk never shared. But I'm about to show you every single one. Today, for my channel Road Zone Reviews, we're diving into something Elon Musk has hinted at, but not fully revealed. Musk has already told the world that the Tesla bot will handle a huge variety of household tasks, from cleaning, cooking, and yard work, to caring for the elderly and children, and even acting as a friendly companion. But what he hasn't shared are at least 5 additional game-changing benefits that could make the Tesla bot far more valuable than just being a high-tech housekeeper. Of course, these 5 hidden benefits could spark intense debate, which is probably why Musk hasn't talked about them publicly. If you think humanoid robots are slow, clunky machines with no real-world use, you might want to think again. And if you believe they could never surpass humans in certain tasks, you're about to be proven wrong. The breakneck pace of AI advancement is pushing machines like Optimus far beyond what most people can even imagine. And Elon Musk is pouring billions into making sure Tesla's humanoid robot reaches the very limits. With plans to start selling Optimus as early as next year, skepticism is natural. But here's why you might want to pay attention. Tesla plans to launch sales in Q2 next year, with the first units going to Tesla employees. A tradition Musk follows with all new products to iron out any glitches before the public gets access. And with a robot, those glitches could be far more serious than a faulty EV might stall, but a faulty humanoid could. Well, let's just say you wouldn't want it anywhere near your barbecue lighter. Since the debut of Optimus, especially the Gen 2 version, Musk has emphasized its usefulness in handling tasks like cleaning, mowing lawns, cooking, caring for pets, helping the elderly, teaching kids, and countless other household chores. But here's what he hasn't said. The Tesla bot could actually earn money for its owner, potentially paying for itself in less than a year. That's because humanoid robots, unlike humans, don't get tired, don't ask for breaks, and don't require salaries. A single Tesla bot could be rented out to work factory shifts, handle logistics, clean commercial spaces, or provide caregiving. If it sells for under $20,000 and can bring in even $2,000 a month in earnings, that's a self-paid investment in less than a year, followed by pure profit. Morgan Stanley's Adam Jonas recently estimated that one humanoid robot working at just $5 an hour could do the job of 2 humans earning $25 each, creating a net present value of $200,000 per robot. If Tesla can make this happen at scale, we're not just talking about a tech product. We're talking about the foundation of a new robotic economy where millions of Optimus units work in logistics, caregiving, emergency response, and more. This convergence of AI, energy tech, and robotics is something only a few companies, Tesla being the leader, can pull off. Some people will buy Optimus for personal help at home. Others will run businesses with them, like restaurants with one robot taking orders, another cooking, another serving, and another cleaning. The upfront cost might feel steep, but the long-term return could be massive. And just like every other technological revolution, Robots won't just replace jobs, they'll create entirely new ones. Remember the panic over ATMs in the 1960s? People thought bank tellers would vanish, but instead, bank branches grew and new roles emerged. The same goes for Tesla's robo-taxi network. It created jobs for remote supervisors, maintenance crews, and AI trainers. With Optimus, we'll see demand for robot trainers, AI programmers, maintenance engineers, fleet managers, and human-machine interface designers, all high-skilled jobs. Robots will take on the heavy, dangerous, and repetitive tasks, leaving humans to focus on creativity, strategy, and emotional intelligence. The things machines still can't replicate. This is exactly why Musk is testing Optimus in Tesla's own factories first, to prove its value and show how humans and machines can work together efficiently. But that's just the start. Musk has talked about Optimus helping the elderly or teaching kids, but he hasn't openly discussed its potential in professional healthcare. Imagine a hospital where every patient room has an Optimus assistant nurse, delivering medication, helping patients sit up, recording vital signs, and even spotting early signs of medical trouble in real time. With aging populations and shrinking workforces, especially in Japan, Germany, and the USA, the shortage of nurses and caregivers will only get worse. Robots like Optimus could fill those gaps, providing consistent, precise support without fatigue or emotional burnout. Of course, healthcare use would require strict regulatory approval, privacy safeguards, and public trust, but it's only a matter of time before the tech reaches that stage. Another untapped benefit: security.